Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about work relationships and how they can impact productivity. Specifically, we'll discuss how to improve the relationships between your employees so they can work together as a team. First and foremost, it's essential to create a positive work environment. Encourage open communication, respect, and trust among your employees. This can be achieved by hosting team-building activities, organizing social events, and providing a comfortable workspace. Another key factor is to promote a sense of ownership and accountability among your employees. By giving them the autonomy to make decisions and take on projects, they'll feel more invested in their work and their team. Lastly, recognize and reward your employees for their hard work and contributions. This can boost morale and motivate them to work together more effectively. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, keep building those positive work relationships.